Hi dears, welcome back to Fashion Week Design, Chenatum Mutton Junction Kattapana, Mall of Joy Kottayam, Grand Center Mall, Moovattupuzha and TMS Center Mall, Perumbavoor. In the very gorgeous collection of our material a lot of inquiry from our customer side. Fabric pure Georgette material collections are in the video present. Two different design patterns oro design 5 colors details. First design pattern color red and white color combination especially dedicated for the Christmas edition. Top batik print all over. We stitch completely look top yoke portion horizontal pattern thick batik print highlight minute sequence work affordable rate pure material introduce. Second design pattern first color red and white color combination. This difference is a round shape pattern batik print full view. This overall view top yoke portion stitch yoke diamond portion design pattern horizontal pattern design minor sequence work top in the body all over flowers in the batik print. I highlight minute sequence work top in the back portion batik print same material than pair. Set into a bottom lining attach bottom semi cotton material. Add the color shade on the chikunta shade lato, topila all over our batik print on similar material than Dupatak bear the Dupatela all over our batik print borders load thick title our batik print boytunda, bottom lining attach in the bottom on the sandwood material. Add the color shade on the grey purple shade available topil all over our flowers in the batik print our same print and top in the back side similar material than Dupatak bear. Bottom lining attached the lining is crepe material. The bottom is sandone. Beautiful colors introduce. Black cherry is shade similar design pattern all over top and dupattailum bottom lining attached bottom is sandone lining is crepe material. This wine maroon shade available same design pattern beautiful later highlight all over batik print bottom lining attached rate 1440 with free shipping. Burgundy shade top length material pure Georgette care use bottom lining attached bottom sandwood. This choco peach color top in the portion horizontal pattern batik print and design pattern yoke stitch diamond portion stitch our same design pattern all over. Add the color shade on the teal blue shade topil round shape pattern batik print ella setilum batik print white color combination our same design pattern back side top bottom lining attached bottom sandone lining crepe material rate 1440 with free shipping. Last color shade is orchid shade. Set into a bottom lining attached bottom sandwood material. Semi party wear use suitable collection introduce pure Georgette material. Purchase customers screen mention WhatsApp number video website purchase maximum customers website through purchase try. Thank you.